Obviously, the number one thing that you can do for noise reduction is to buy a dynamic microphone. That would be my number one recommendation. I don't know what microphone you have, but a dynamic microphone like the one I'm currently using is going to make the biggest difference because it's going to have the narrowest pickup pattern, which means it's going to eliminate noise in your room. So obviously I have acoustic paneling in my space, and you may not have acoustic paneling in your space, etc. But I'm happy to recommend some acoustic paneling product if you're looking for that. But just a couple quick tips for you. One thing that you can do is you can basically put in a rug and just put stuff in your room, and that can help. I've got some acoustic panels right here that you can set on your wall. And then also in my gamers and audios, then you can basically mount those to your wall with command strips, which is what I've done. And I recommend the Shure MV7 microphone because it's a dynamic microphone, and it can help you eliminate background noise by narrowing the pickup pattern of your audio. But the mic I'm using right now is the Shure MV7 base. They're the blue and white ones that you see over here. You can choose your color with the option that I'm sending over. Just grab a couple packs of these and then add some command strips to the back of them, and then you can mount them wherever you want them to go. Essentially in your space, they'll stay there, and then they peel off, which is really, really cool. I really like that about these particular acoustic panels, which make them particularly useful. So here's what they look like kind of up close with my phone. See, I've got them kind of going around the jacks. I've got them kind of going around the room, as you can see here. And going up the wall on that side. I know the exposure keeps adjusting because I have a million freaking lights going in here, but I have them all along the side. And generally speaking, what you want to do, this is from behind my head, wherever you're speaking, you want to speak forward, and then you want to have acoustic paneling on the wall in front of you, wherever you're shooting audio right in front of you as your priority, and that can help you make a big impact on dampening the sound in your space. Cool?